Hello everyone, it is December's unboxing day and I am so excited to show you what went into December's SewHayleyJane boxes. They have been arriving with my lovely subscribers over the last few days and I have been having the best feedback. You guys have been loving these boxes. So without further ado, I have the classic here and I have the luxury down here. So the luxury is a bit beastly this month. It's huge and we'll start with the theme this month is stay cozy. And how much do you want to be this person here? All cozied up. December obviously, you can go one or two ways. You can go for like glitzy and glam and sparkles and sequins, or you can go cozy and pajamas and hot chocolate. And I'm definitely more the cozy person than the glitz and glam person. I've only got one festive-y do to attend this year, and that's with a book club. So yes, I'm definitely much more of the cozy persuasion. Anyway, every box gets a magazine. There are 3 different size boxes, the mini, the classic and the luxury. Everyone gets the magazine, which has a little introduction for me. We have interviews with the company who has a gift in the box. We have the make of the month is this absolutely stunning Friday Pattern Company heather blazer in the pink vintage cotton from the summer. Then there's the lovely Esther, Gemma and Laura receive the fabric in advance and make something to show you. I'm already starting to receive their makes for January because obviously there's, this thing called Christmas in the middle of the month. It's very inconvenient, which means I need to do everything a little bit earlier this month. But yes, Gemma, Laura and Esther received the fabrics and made something and they were beautiful. Tamlin then did a little reflection column on her year. I've made something for the boxes. I will show you. Actually, I might go and get it in a minute. It's in the car. Makers gallery, so things people have been making. Then a profile with the lovely Madeline and pattern pics from the fold line. We have a spotlight feature from Fauve and Asma, who were on the latest series of the Great British Sewing Bee, and they have joined forces to create a new exciting business. They're going to be teaching sewing and they've got some other plans on the cards as well. So yes, that is the magazine. Now, one of the things, obviously you guys are all here for the fabric, but this month you guys have been loving the sweet treat and I can't say I blame you. Every box got a little mini snack pack of gingerbread flavoured popcorn from the Popcorn Shed. It is delicious. It does taste of gingerbread. It's like, it's got sort of toffee popcorn with gingerbread spices in. It's so good, absolutely delicious. I'm very pleased that I've got quite a few of those left over. Then there's always a couple of haberdashery items. So this month there is an 8-inch zip, which is specifically for using with the gift that's gone into the boxes. So I'll show you that in a minute. And there's always a 100-meter reel of Gutterman thread to match the main fabric. So I'll show you the main fabric at the moment. But first up is the supplementary fabric, which is stunning. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There is 1 meter and it's a really, really wide piece of cotton. A lot of the time with cotton's very narrow. This is really wide. So there is a lot of fabric here to work with. It's called Bonus Contemporary and it's quite a stiff cotton because it's got goldy bits in it. Hopefully that's coming up. If not, I'll put some pictures in. It's got like purple and green diamonds with gold in the middle. It's absolutely stunning. And again, this works really well with the gift that's gone into the boxes this month. Shall I show you the gift first? Let me get the fabric out of the way for a minute and I shall show you. Okay, so first up we've got the pattern that matches the fabric. and that is the Margot trousers from Made My Wardrobe, which is a sort of a loose fit pair of tracksuit trousers, but with the whole Stay Cozy vibe. There's a gorgeous viscose jersey in the box, and I was kind of thinking these would work so well as cozy pajamas. They look really like snuggly. I absolutely love them. I definitely want to make those. So yeah, Margot pajamas. Then the gift that's gone into the classic and luxury boxes is a bag pattern from So Pretty, So Mindful. I love it. Absolutely love it. I've made this. There will be a video hopefully next week of me making the bag, and it's in the magazine as well. So I'm not going to go and get it out of the car. You can tune in next week if you want to see what the bag looks like. But here it is. I don't know if that's showing up. But basically I used the fabric to do the sort of panel in the middle and the lining, and I used denim around the outside, and it looks gorgeous. It's really, really lovely. And because it's surrounded by denim, it doesn't look festive. It doesn't look Christmassy. It just looks really pretty. So yeah, it's really lovely. The thing about bag patterns, I'm really enjoying making bags. I've made 3 now, and they're so satisfying. To start off with, I always feel quite intimidated by them because there's a lot of different things to dressmaking. So obviously you don't get paper pattern with a bag pattern because it's just rectangles. So you get a measurement table with all the different sizes that you need to cut. So what I've been doing, or what I did with this one, is I laid my fabric down right side down on the table, and I just used ruler and chalk to draw all the rectangular shapes and then cut them out. Then some of them need interfacing, some of them don't. So this is what I mean, is to start off with, it looks quite intimidating if you've not done bag making before, but actually when you just get things out and get started, it's a lot easier than you think it's going to be. And the patterns are amazing, the pictures are amazing as well. So yeah, the instructions are really, really good. And there's a little key fob in it as well, which is really cute. I absolutely love it. I want to make one in like a tan canvas or like faux suede or something like that. I think that would be really nice. Yes, I think that would look good. So that is the gift, which I'm really excited about. Make sure you go and follow Lucy at So Pretty, So Mindful. She has done a little video on her YouTube channel introducing herself to all the lovely SewHayleyJane subscribers. So make sure you go and give her a follow and give her a little bit of love on the video as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to have that in the boxes. Okay, the fabric in the luxury box, 3.5 meters of this viscose jersey, which is just so beautiful. It came in 2 colors. There's like a pale blue or a minty green, and then it's got like a splodgy pattern, and these little bits look gold, but they're not. They're yellow, but because of the way it's been printed, it looks like little flecks of gold. Whether that comes up on the screen or not, I'm not too sure, but it's so lovely. And I think paired, made into pajamas, what more could you want at this time of year than super snuggly, pretty pajamas? Let me know in the comments, do you prefer cozy, snuggly pajamas or like luxurious satin, silky pajamas, with piping and a button-down shirt and everything? I definitely favour the cozy. Right, that is the luxury box. It was all nice and neatly folded up. Now it's just been thrown everywhere. Onto the classic box. So again, we've got the popcorn, the magazine, the extra thread. Put all that down there. The zip and the thread. Did I say the extra thread just now? The extra fabric. It is the end of term. I have got end of term-itis massively. My daughter's finishing school in a couple of days. My brain's all over the place. I cannot wait to take some time off. We have a cozy, brushed tartan, poly cotton in red or blue. I will go and get the blue in a minute to show you. 2.5 meters in the classic box, 1.5 meter in the mini box. You can't go wrong with a bit of tartan at Christmas time. You absolutely cannot. Obviously, pajamas are an option, but I think I am going to make the Experimental Space Hayley shirt out of this. I'm feeling like I need a nice, easy, throw it on shirt that looks really nice and cozy as well. I've made the Hayley shirt before. I actually did a video of me sewing it last year, so you can go back and have a look at that if you'd like to. And I have the red, and yeah, I'm thinking a shirt would look really nice. I love this particular pattern. You can add darts if you want to, so it gives it a little bit of shaping. You can add back to waist darts and bust to waist darts. Only thing I might do differently is lengthen the sleeves, or sort of bring the sleeves in a little bit, maybe add a cuff for extra coziness. But yeah, that is the classic fabric. I shall just go and get the blue colorway so that I can show you that. Here's the blue colorway. Again, really, really beautiful. It's a nice like royal blue or beautiful red. Either one's just beautiful. They're just both gorgeous. So yes, loving those. Right, that is December's boxes, the last boxes of 2023. And I think it's been a great year for the boxes. I've been doing this 7 years now, and every year I feel like I'm blowing my own trumpet a little bit. I'm not, that's not what I'm meaning to do, but I'm just really proud of how the boxes have turned out this year. And I've already got some great ideas for next year as well. January is already all planned. I actually already have the luxury fabrics and the sort of supplementary fabric. It's going to be a big box, particularly the luxury box. It's going to be chunky. The supplementary fabric going into January's box is actually going to be 0.5 meter, and you will understand why when you see it. Yeah, there's not enough space for a whole meter, but it's beautiful and I cannot wait to show you. If you would like to subscribe in time to get your first box in January, then make sure you hit the link below. Take a look at the different box options. All the fabrics are going to be gorgeous. I'm just excited. Have a lovely, lovely day, everyone, and I will be back next week, hopefully with the bag reveal. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.